Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a tutorial on toasters. Yep, you heard me, toasters. But actually it's this cool Python library called Win10Toast. It is created by just one person and it pretty much allows you to create notifications on Windows. I haven't tested it in Mac, I'm not sure if it works, but I'm going to be using Windows. And yeah, we still have our goal of 100 subs that I hope we can get to. It would be awesome if we could. So hit that subscribe button if the content deserves it. So yeah, let's get into the video. So to get started, you have to have Python already downloaded on your device. You're going to go to the command prompt and type in pip install wintoast. It's going to be on screen now. You're just going to click enter and it should do all the rest for you. And once it should say successfully installed, you have Win10Toast successfully installed on your device. So let's get into how to actually use it. It's actually quite simple, so let's get into it. In the Win10Toast library, there's pretty much one object. It's a toast notifier. So what you want to do is you want to create a toast notifier. You can name it whatever you want. An example how to do that is on screen now, and that object has one function. So it's a very small library, but that one function, it can be very useful at times. So that function is show toast. So it's the object dot show toast, and that function has parameters. There's a title parameter, there is a message, so there's a title, then there's the body, there's a duration, and there's also an icon. It shows like the icon of whatever you want it to be actually. Alright, so here's a few examples of being used. It's pretty cool. There's not too much to it, but it's still something you can have in your arsenal if you just if there's like a very specific need for it, such as like a schedule or some kind of reminder. It would be very nice. Granted, I do wish there was an on-click function, because for notifications made by Windows, there's actually, if you click on it, it opens a certain, or does like a certain function. I really wish they had that in this library, but unfortunately they do not, so you're just gonna have to stick with those 4 parameters. But it's still pretty cool, so I hope you enjoyed and will eventually use this if you need it. Yeah. So I guess that's the end of the video. If you want to, subscribe to CodeRush if you feel the content's worth it. That would be amazing. We're going strong for 100 subscribers, so if we can get there, that'd be great. And yeah, so that's it. Bye.